Have you got one investment strategy for all of your assets? It's a big mistake. Your emergency fund and your retirement account, they shouldn't have the same investment strategy. Why? Because they're for completely different goals with completely different time horizons. Your timeline ultimately determines the level of risk your portfolio should take. Short-term money, like emergency savings or cash that you might need to access soon, should typically stay safe, liquid, and accessible. Whereas long-term investments, like an RSP or retirement portfolio, have more time to grow and recover from market volatility. A strong financial plan isn't just about investing, it's about matching the right money with the right purpose. If you want help organizing your accounts and building a strategy that fits your goals and timelines, click the link below to schedule a time to connect.